Hey guys, what's up? Kai Stevenson here, of course, duh. And I stand before you with freshly washed and conditioned hair. So you know I have a style coming. So welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before, and welcome back if you've been here before, and thank you for your support. So a couple of weeks back, I went to the beauty salon and got a Flexi rod set. I was like, okay, I really love my hair. Look at my hair, like it's just gorgeous. So I'm gonna try to recreate this. The only things I don't have at home is the commercial beauty dryer. So I'm just gonna keep these in my head for like 3 days. Monday, tonight, Tuesday, all day. Take them down Wednesday. And if you know anything about Flexi rod sets, they don't look good until like the 3rd or 4th day. So that'll be just in time for the weekend if I end up doing something. Whatever, it'll be cute. My hair already takes forever to dry. So with these Flexi rods in, we'll see. Today I will be using the African Pride 7-in-1 Moisture Restore Curl Refresher. So this is basically just a leave-in that I'm gonna put in before I put in the mousse to set my hair. It says to spray liberally. I'm cutting that. It says just to spray it on your damp hair and comb it through with a comb. So I'm gonna be using this African Pride 7-in-1 leave-in with the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Foam Setting Mousse. And then after I have put in all the Flexi rods or whatever, I'm gonna use the Heat Protection and Shine Mist. Even though I'm not using heat, I think the Shine Mist will be helpful in like the shininess and moisturization of my curls, if that makes sense. All right, let's get to it. I got all of these products from Influencer. They can be found at Walmart, Dollar General, or anywhere else. I will put the links in the description. Walmart and Dollar General are their main suppliers, I believe. And this collection is super inexpensive and super accessible. So when I went to the stylist, this is what she did. She parted the back, some part in the back. Don't mind how I do this. I'm not a hair expert. We know that. Ooh, look at those wet curls there. Lots of hair. Okay, so my hair is parted. I don't care if it's even. Y'all know, I don't care. So I'm gonna part it again. Smaller section. Okay, so I have this. I'm going to take the Moisture Restore Refresher 7-in-1. It's a leave-in now, that's what they said. Spray my hair with it. Smells really good. Everything in this collection so far has been smelling good. So I'm focusing on my ends especially because they get really dry. I'm just gonna comb it. Take some mousse. the gray flexi rods. I got these from my beauty supply store down the street. I'm just gonna go to the end, roll, roll, see my little stragglers, keep rolling. And just a little knot. Yeah, I have to sleep in these for a couple of days. Because I'm just praying my hair is dry. Today is Monday, and I'm just praying my hair will dry by Wednesday. I have a lot of flexi rods, but my hair is so thick. My small parts still look big. Going in with the 7-in-1 curl refresher again. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Loose. Work that through. Flexi rod, I have some super long ones. I have the short ones. This little hair in the back is killing me. Like, this is a big one, so I'm about to separate this. Yeah, I just dropped stuff in my sink because I don't have that much counter space in the bathroom. I've never done a wash and go before, but if I ever do, I might use this stuff. I just don't understand the concept of wash and go, you know? Like, show y'all what this look like on Wednesday. We just praying it comes out all right. Oh, I'm gonna have to do bigger sections too because I don't have that many flexi rods. Child, what? Okay, back row's finished. You see? So all of the flexi rods are in. I use the African Pride olive oil 7-in-1 curl refresher, and then I use the foaming mousse. Now that all of the Flexi rods are in, I'm about to spray it with the heat protection and shine mist. And as it dries over the next couple days, hopefully this will help. I have a huge bonnet, so I don't have to worry about that. I'll be putting that bonnet on. And yeah, so fun fact, I actually ran out of Flexi rods, so I might take this and combine it with another one. My hair seems to be drying pretty fast, so it should be dry by Wednesday. If not, I'll let y'all know. I did spray the wall. Obviously, I'll let you know. Yeah, so this is a Flexi rod set using the African Pride Olive Miracle collection. All right, so it's been since Monday night. So Monday, Tuesday, and it's now Wednesday. And I still have these Flexi rods in my head. My hair should be dry. Like, if my hair isn't dry by now, I don't know what to do. Now I'm gonna take the Flexi rods out and I'm gonna go in with this Shine Heat Protection and Moisture Mist. So I'm just gonna spray some on my hand. It's like an oil. Spray it on my hand and start in the back. Like I said, these always look better on like the 3rd or 4th day. Plus, since I let my hair air dry, they're not really as smooth as I thought. Now that they're all down, I'm about to separate them. This is my very first time doing this style with no heat, like I don't have a dryer or anything. And I will say that the mousse, the African Pride Miracle Moisture Mousse, did help with some of the frizz. And since I did let my hair air dry, my roots are really frizzy. So next time I'll just have to apply more mousse to the roots of my hair, just so that they can be more smooth as they air dry. Overall, I love it. It's really big. As expected, my hair is pretty thick, so there's a lot of hair on some Flexi rods and not that much on the others. Again, I use the African Pride Olive Miracle collection. It's super smooth, super silky, and it doesn't look quite like the way my stylist did it, but I'm satisfied with the results. All right, let me know in the comments again if you've tried this collection. If you want to try this collection, of course I'll link the stuff in the bio, in the description. All right, so if you like this video. If you like my hair, let me know what you like about it in the comments. See you soon.